Raw, let's keep it real. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I wish and pray all your wishes come true, guys. If you haven't ready yet, like, comment, subscribe, join this Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Alright, family. Well, today's tip of the day is the most important verb of success is action. So take it, okay? You could dream about it, you could talk about it, you can imagine it, but it would never come to fruition if you don't take that action. So work hard every single day, guys. Grind it all out. Do the necessary things for you to accomplish your task. Even if, every day you wake up and all of a sudden, you still get the same result. But just remember, your mentality is changing and being a better person than you are yesterday. It's going to change, so give it some time. Maybe the result is not what you're looking for, but as hard as you're working and you're striving to be the best version of yourself and you're taking action for your dream, you're going to accomplish it. And look, the Great Wall of China was built in a day. Rome was built in a day. So what makes you think you can be built in one day? If you think that working out for one day will get you the body that you want, then you got another thing coming. Everything is a process. Everything takes time. But as long as you're taking your rest, you're taking that action, you're going to be successful. Alright, family, that concludes today's video. If you guys have any topic that you guys want me to discuss about, or some kind of tip that you guys want to give me as well, comment down below. And if you haven't ready yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire family where we get better, do better, and we be better. Catch you guys next time on the next inspirational, motivational video. Well, love y'all. Peace.